CoCo La Rue, the latest in quality hair.
Hello, my name's Rachel, and this is my first time getting a hair extension at CoCo's. And CoCo really did a very amazing job. CoCo helped me find the hair I want that is 30 inches, it's very long, which is very hard to find, but CoCo helped me find it. And yeah, and CoCo's service is really good. The threading and braiding is really tiny and very good. I've been to some salons before and that hair is horrible and the service is also very bad. So yeah, I'll be coming back to CoCo's very soon. Thank you, CoCo. I love you.
Luxurious, it's laid. Luxurious, it's laid. Oh, my hair is laid. Luxurious, it's laid.